the most awaited gathering that we're looking for, this division-wide Sabbath School, IELNDR, and Children's Ministries Congress now has come. On behalf of my union, I will say welcome, welcome, welcome. May the Lord bless each of us from the start until this will be in there. Thank you, and God bless us all.
Ano yung sa sulod? Okay, so kay tao, no?
Hi everyone, good morning. To our brethren from Indonesia, salamat. Rafi, salamat datang. You are all welcome. It's a pleasure to be with everybody today. This is a gathering of God's wonderful people. We have visitors who come from far and near, and it is a joy to see each and everyone gathered in one place.
ano yung sa sulod mga igsoon? Ang sagawas, ang sagawas.
And to sharpen our tools in our involvement
Ano yung
in
sagawas
God's work.
mga igsoon? Daghan
For
kayo.
on behalf of the Southeastern Philippine Union Mission, the Baby Mission under Southern Asia Pacific Division, and that is the host of the famous durian in Davao City area. You will taste the sample within this week. And this is also the host of the famous tuna in General Santos City, but all tunas are from Indonesia Sea. So thank you, terima kasih banyak, saudara-saudara, for allowing us to fish in your area. And to all delegates coming from all unions within the Southern Asia Pacific Division, I warmly welcome all of you for and on behalf of the Southeastern Philippine Union Mission. May God bless all of us.